Hello there, and a warm welcome back to the channel. So, have you ever thought of selling any digital product? It could be a course, it could be a PDF, some ebooks, some source code, an application, whatever it may be. Have you actually thought of creating one? And if you are a Kenyan, just like I am, you probably have seen all these other platforms like Theme Forest, Code Canyon, but you probably need something which also supports local payments. So let's check this out right here. That is exactly what I have today for you guys. So if you go ahead and check this out, this is the particular user URL for this particular store. So how did we get to this particular point where you have this particular user interface? So these are storefronts for a particular seller on this particular platform. So this is how your shop that you create without any coding is gonna look. So you will have this particular page right here showing your logo, your branding, and the single page will look something like this. We have gone crazy with the description a little bit. So once you add to carts, you will notice that this particular product can only be added once. So that is to make sure that you do not have a purchase of a single item and get billed severally, because they are digital products, so it wouldn't make sense to have three of the same product. So if we head over to the checkout, we have a seamless modified checkout to make sure that you maximize on your conversions. So this is how the checkout page will actually appear. So pretty simple, pretty minimalist. All you need is a few details from the user, like so. And if you don't have an account, you can tick this to create your account during checkout. I'm gonna leave that unchecked and continue to payment. So here you can choose. This option will not be available. I'm just using this for test purposes. So if I go ahead, so right here we'll have M-Pesa and card payments. So your users will be able to pay with M-Pesa as well as any of these other options. And after clicking on that, say I've read the website terms and conditions and place that order. And just like that, that is complete. So I'm gonna show you now how you can create this particular web front for yourself and start selling products on this particular platform. So at the moment, we'll only be doing a commission of 5% per sale. If there are any updates in the future, we'll be sure to let all the users know. But as for now, that seems fair. So let's just go ahead and register as a seller on this particular site. So this is the main site itself. You can see how it's responsive on all devices. This is how the user interface for the site is gonna look. So let's go ahead to register. Go ahead and click on seller dashboard. And once you click on this, you will have the option to log in. So this is where you can also log in as a regular customer or register. So for a vendor, you have to go and click on I am a vendor and then register right there. So I'm gonna make up a made up email here. So I do a test. This will not work in the future because I'll have added a code which will be sent to your email to verify your account. So that will not fly in the future. Just do John Doe. John Doe. For the shop name, this is what will appear in your URL like before. So this was what was in this particular URL. This one, this. So this is what will be on the URL of your site. So for the shop name, I'm gonna say maybe pottery or pothouse. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the generated URL which will be for your shop. You'll know if it's available or taken. And phone number, enter that. And then okay, the password is not yet strong enough. Okay, I'll do John Doe. Okay, that works. And register. So once you register, you will have a wizard for helping you set up your page. So go ahead and follow this wizard. So let me say let's go. So that's some details which your users will be able to see. You can choose to skip this if you want to, but you will have to set it up later on from your actual so in here just give us your email. We'll be processing the payments via M-Pesa, but just enter this so that we can be able to email you. So click continue. Okay, so now you can go ahead and look at your store. So the first thing you want to do once you are actually on this dashboard of yours is to go ahead and modify the actual user interface of your store. So here you'll be able to see your net sales, your earnings, everything that your products have earned. You'll be able to view here, and then when you need your funds, you can request a withdrawal which should be processed within a few minutes to a few hours. So go ahead and go into this particular section, the settings, and click on the store. So this is where you enter your logo, the background banner of your site, which elements you wish to be displayed to the final user. All that you can be able to actually set up here. So right here. Meanwhile, that is taking a year to load up. Let me go ahead and show you. Okay, it's done. So here you can upload your profile picture. So let me select some files here. I'm gonna use this one. So once I upload it, select and crop. That's fine. The banner, same process. Just select some file. I'm gonna go with this one. So it's gonna take a while because we have an algorithm which is compressing these images. Okay, select and crop. Yeah, no, I think this is it. Crop image. Yeah, fantastic. Then you can just go ahead and update settings. You can also set a time, opening and closing time for your store. I don't know why you would have to do that, but you can. So I don't know. Go ahead and knock yourself out. So here now we can now check out the store, how it looks. So this is how the store looks. As you can see, it's pretty nice, pretty elegant, and the URL is pretty user friendly. So you can go always share that to your socials. Now, if you want to add a product, all you have to do is head to product section right here. I'm going to show you how to do a sample product. Then just click on add a new product. It was about pottery, so I say how to make the perfect pot vase. I don't know. Make sure it's downloadable and virtual. For the category, you can choose from this section. So ebook. The price, say 300 shillings. Product tags, maybe what? Productivity. Add a short description to this. I'm just gonna get some content. Some content. Some lorem ipsum. So I'm just gonna copy this. Hold up. Okay. that will do. Okay, so for this is the long description. For the short description, maybe let's get rid of some of this. Yes, that will work. And in the inventory, make sure to only allow only one quantity to be bought in a single order. Then now add the file. I'm gonna say the ebook. So I'm gonna name it, and then I'm gonna choose the file. So uploaded files. I'm gonna pick this just for testing purposes, and then I'm gonna insert it. And the download limit, I'm gonna do 3. Download expiry, I'm gonna put never. And enable product reviews. Purchase notes, maybe thanks. And I'm gonna save that product. And once you do that, the product will be pending review. Okay, okay. So let me just go ahead and I'm gonna go and accept that right there. So once that's done, I've gone and approved it. So as you can see, now it's online. So we head back to that particular store and refresh. Boom. Now we have the product right here. Beautiful. Beautiful. So this is how you can go ahead and set up your store. Go ahead, set this up, and give me some feedback after you have used it. Tell me what needs to be improved on, and I'll be sure to get on it. But yeah, that is what I wanted to share with you guys. Subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you find yourself coming back from time to time, you're already here, so you might as well just subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.